This is the Breguet Range Aircraft Interactive Calculator, which computes aircraft range and fuel requirements using the classical Breguet equation. Let's explore the input fields. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate range, calculate required fuel fraction, calculate required SFC, calculate required LD ratio, calculate required velocity, and convert endurance to range. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Range. Next, we input velocity 5 in meters per second, specific fuel consumption C in per second units, lift-to-drag ratio LD as a dimensionless value, fuel fraction YWF representing initial weight over final weight, range R in meters, and endurance E in hours. For our example, I'll enter 10 for all inputs. Velocity equals 10, specific fuel consumption equals 10, LD ratio equals 10, fuel fraction equals 10, range equals 10, and endurance equals 10. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 23 meters. The range in alternative units displays as 0.0 kilometers and 0.0 nautical miles due to the small value. The fuel mass fraction is 90.0%, and the performance assessment categorizes this as regional aircraft. This tool streamlines preliminary aircraft design calculations. Find the link in the description below.